Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. First off, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you. I want to say thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel, and thank you to anyone who just comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I appreciate you. This is an exciting unboxing because this is a collaboration, a design with one of our community members and a knife company, from what I understand. So I'm going to get into it and learn a little bit more. If you guys are so inclined and you like knife and EDC content and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it really does help me out. I'm going to attempt to take my Amazon butterfly knife, razor knife, and cut into this. It's taped up very well. And not destroy the box, because it's going to go on to others. Let's see if I got it. There you go. Alright, hold on 1 second. All right. So this is a knife that is designed by, my understanding is, and this is just an unboxing, and it says list of addresses, and it says list of information about the knife in another envelope. But there is no other envelope. There's nothing in the other envelope. So I've got the off-camera list of addresses, which I won't show you guys. And then I've got this other knife info, okay for camera only, and the only thing in there is a Kansept bag. So I know it's a collaboration with Kansept and our brother, Tactical Terry. He designed this knife, to my understanding, and he has, this is the prototype. Ooh. And there are a couple of changes that he sent me via Instagram. One of them was with the clip, and one of them was with color options, but I don't have the original sheet that has the original color options. It's interesting. So this is a Kansept knife called the Orlock. Orlock. The Orlock. O-R-L-O-C-K. It's a front flipper. There's Tactical Terry's logo. The clip, I think, is going to be a little longer. It's a liner lock with the deployment hole. Ooh. This one looks like a black wash titanium. Looks like it has a reversible clip. Keep in mind, this is just a prototype, guys. It is going to have a different clip, and I'll get you information on that when I do the review, because I am going to check this knife out, try it out, and then give you guys kind of a full review on it. So Kansept's going to be making it. I don't know a release date. K2111A2 is the model number. And it's the Orlock. I love the maker's mark. I love the ergonomics and the shape of the knife. This knife is subtly contoured for my hand. You've got contoured titanium scales. You've got this powder blue backspacer matching clip. Again, the clip will be changing. I'm not sure if it's too short, if it's going to be longer. But the grip on this knife, the choil, is built in, as you can see there, to the blade. So your plunge grind is done amazingly well on this prototype. Comes all the way back here. But this is an absolute finger choil. So when you use the harpoon in my hand, which is a medium to large size hand, this knife just feels like it was ergonomically designed to go in the hand. I mean, I think that's just a great job on ergonomics of a knife. Let's see how it cuts. Now this is a guy that's been sent around. Several people have tried it out. I have not done anything but unboxed it. If it is a little janky, we will strop it up, but it looks very, very sharp. And it is. The blade geometry on it is fantastic. Terry, you did a great job on this knife. I mean, I see a lot of knives come across. This is my jam, I guess you would say. It's a medium-sized knife. I wouldn't even call it a medium, small medium. I would call it a full medium-sized knife that has fantastic ergonomics. I mean, this is the primary grip, guys, and this is a grip that is a command cutting grip, whether you're working through cardboard, while you're working through materials, while you're working through game. Regardless of what you're working on, this harpoon not only looks, in my opinion, and that'll be subjective, some of you might think differently, I think it looks very, very sexy. I'm sure you'll have a plate and screws here. This is just a prototype. Got fantastic access to that concealed liner lock. Thumb flick, I'm sure, is going to be fine. Reverse flick is money. This little top flipper tab is done very well. You've got jimps all the way up the front. I wouldn't mind seeing a jimp turn there. I don't know how hard it is to do that or what that entails, but I've always liked knives where the jimping goes all the way kind of around that turn, although this one, your pressure's directly on the front of that, so I doubt that's necessary. I doubt you're going to get right up there at the top, and even if you do, that jimp seems to catch my finger fine. I just always like to see the jimping turn that corner with just like one jimp, but I'm not a designer nor a knife maker. I think it is perfectly centered, perfectly sized for me. I love this colorway. I love the black on black, the black wash tie, this kind of stone wash, and the black wash blade. The blade is... I am not exactly sure what the blade is. I'll have to get that for the review. I'm betting it is either going to be 20CV, S90V, or if it's titanium, it's going to be M390 or the equivalent. It's going to be a nice blade steel, a premium blade steel. I want to make sure I'm not missing it on here. Again, this is just the proto. And my envelope that told me all the goodies about this knife is empty. One of the guys or gals who had it before did not put it back in the envelope. But anyway, this is the Orlock by Kansept Knives. It is designed from our brother Tactical Terry. I will do my very best to buy one of these. I think this is the kind of knife that's right up my alley. It's the kind of knife that I would seek out. I love the look of it. I love the shape of it. And I love the way it fits in the hand. Plus, it's a fantastic cutter. Tall, flat ground blade. Wonderful, wonderful swedge up here at the top of the spine. Nice, nice harpoon. Fantastic deployment hole. I think it's just a winner. Guys, that's just an unboxing. I'll get you some more information and try to get some information built up before I do. But this is the Orlock by Kansept Knives, designed by Tactical Terry, and I think it's, so far, freaking awesome. Guys, please do me a favor, look out for the review, it'll be coming, and look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart, and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.